Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO V29 Lite, and let me share with you how to force restart your device. So this operation will be useful if for some reason your device stopped working properly and it does not respond to your touches. You can try to force restart it just by pressing the power button and volume down button together and wait until you'll see the black screen and then the developer's logo. So this combination of keys is the same as whilst taking a screenshot. So let me try to do it. Let me press both of those buttons together. And of course we've made the screenshot, but let's ignore it right now and keep pressing the those buttons. Keep pressing. As you can see, we've got the black screen, which is a really nice sign. Keep pressing. Okay, we've got the vibration. We can see the developer's logo, which means that we just successfully forced restarted our device, and in a second your device will work perfectly fine again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.